people of kindness. I came across a message on the internet from Tears of the Pearl regarding Mr. Lacambel with Uganda Tiger, and I felt compelled to share it. I am not a member of Tears of the Pearl. I am simply volunteering to raise awareness about his situation. Mr. Lacambel is a respected radio personality, cultural icon, and peace advocate from northern Uganda who has dedicated over 30 years to promoting Acholi culture, reconciliation during LRA war, and community development. Today, he faces serious challenges that require urgent support. According to the message, in June 2025, a Tears of the Pearl coordinator visited Mr. Lacambel to check on his health and living conditions. They discovered that he has severe eyesight problems, which have left him unable to see. While treatment has begun, he urgently needs lens replacement and ongoing specialist care to restore his vision. Beyond his health, Mr. Lacambel is also experiencing unresolved employment issues. He was removed from his position at Mega FM, according to reports from this group. They say under unclear circumstances and denied both pension and gratuity despite decades of dedicated service. These injustices have caused emotional stress and financial vulnerability. Tears of the Pearl emphasizes that legal support is needed to ensure justice and dignity for him. The organization calls upon individuals, civil society groups, and cultural institutions and other supporters to help Mr. Lacambel. Support can include contributing to his medical care, advocating for his right, or visiting him to offer encouragement and companionship. People looking for contacts can have contact for assistance via email as tearsofthepearl@gmail.com. For Facebook, Tears of the Pearl. Then on WhatsApp or calls, you can tap in +256 777 200260 by the name Bongomin, who is the coordinator. By sharing this message, we can help restore hope and dignity to a man who has given so much to his community through radio, culture, and peace work. Let us not allow Mr. Lacambel's decades of service to fade into silence. As a matter of fact, we have seen ICC using some of these clips of Mega FM as evidence against Joseph Kony in the pre-trial confirmation of charges hearing in absentia. Another important note is I'm not an official member of Tears of the Pearl. I am sharing this voluntarily to help raise awareness and encourage support for an Acholi legend for a Hall of Fame, Mr. Lacambel Wood Uganda. Thank you.